Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Subaru Outback window. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully lower the window you need to reset by pressing and holding its control switch down. Once the window is completely open, continue to hold the switch down for an extra 3 seconds. This initial step prepares the Windows system for recalibration. After lowering the window, it's time to raise it back up. Pull the Windows control switch firmly upwards until the window is completely closed. Once the window reaches the top, do not release the switch immediately. Instead, continue to hold the switch in the up position for an additional 3 seconds. This action helps the vehicle system learn the window's full travel limits. Now that you've completed the reset steps, it's time to test the window. Try using the auto up and auto down features to ensure they work correctly. If the window doesn't respond as expected, or if the auto functions are still not working, simply repeat the entire reset process from the first step. Sometimes, a second attempt is all it takes to resolve the issue. If you've tried resetting your window multiple times and the problem still persists, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Persistent issues could point to a more significant problem, such as a faulty window motor, a worn-out regulator, or electrical complications. A qualified technician can accurately diagnose the underlying cause and perform the necessary repairs to get your window working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.